Did you know that the 3 R's in animal welfare can improve animal well-being? Learn how you can make a difference for farm animals used in research and teaching. Humans and sheep have history. In 1959, British scientists did experiments on sheep to study the effects of radiation on human health. As a result, too many sheep got sick and died. Of course, the public protested. Then, the 3 R's in animal welfare law were born. Still today, research and teaching with farm animals like sheep, goats, turkeys, chickens, and pigs are used to help us understand the way diseases affect both humans and animals. Research on cows better their nutrition and can produce enhanced nutritive value, meat, milk, and fiber products for the food and agriculture industry. This cow has a door that opens directly to its stomach to allow easy access to the rumen for nutrition studies. Pending Institutional Animal Care and Use Committee review and approval, this is surgically implanted for animal nutritionists to conduct studies on health and nutrition. The IACUC must approve this, or all will be cited for violation of animal welfare guidelines. Don't worry, this may appear painful, but under the animal welfare guidelines of proper animal care and use, this animal lives a long and pain-free life. Now, imagine a researcher studying the effects of different diets on milk production in cows. To implement the 3 R's without justification, the researcher must replace the use of cows with an alternative model such as computer simulations or cell cultures. If cows are absolutely necessary, the researcher must aim to reduce the number of cows used in the study and refine the experimental procedures to minimize the cows' stress and discomfort. Take a look at these cows being milked at their regular routine times, but at the same time, research scientists are collecting valuable data on milk production. Remember, the 3 R's in animal welfare law is an animal right, not a privilege. Congratulations, you know all about them now. If you would like more training, see the link below to get the Animal Welfare Practical Workbook for the care and use of farm animals in research and teaching.